Let me walk you through the quality control distribution histogram in our Smart Analytics Strategic Insights suite. This chart is key for keeping our quality in check. It pulls data from our quality control inspections and test results and plots it to show the spread of quality metrics like defect rates across our production. Think of it as a snapshot that shows how consistent our processes are, helping our quality team spot issues fast. When you look at the histogram, it reveals how often defects happen and at what level. For instance, if we see a peak at a 5% defect rate, that's a red flag we need to address. A skewed chart might mean there's a systematic problem in our process. We can also compare distributions across different production lines to figure out what's working best and share those practices. The chart's great at showing consistent quality, which means our processes are solid, but high defect rates signal weaknesses we need to fix. In our traditional manufacturing setup, this chart drives process improvements and helps cut defects. In our digital manufacturing system, it uses real-time data to trigger automatic adjustments, keeping quality tight. One thing to watch out for is that the chart might miss certain defect types or root causes, and static versions won't show trends over time. But there's huge potential here. Fixing recurring defects can boost customer satisfaction, while ignoring them could hurt our reputation or raise warranty costs. We're also looking into digging deeper into defect causes to keep improving. This chart is a powerful tool to keep our quality on point every day.